Dr. Frank Schallenberger's Second Opinion, the Independent Thinker's Guide to Health and Wellness. In today's video, we will be discussing how gut bacteria play an important role in the development of multiple sclerosis. Mice generally don't have a lot going for them, but they have one big advantage over us humans. They can't get multiple sclerosis, MS. That is, unless, of course, scientists get their hands on them. But because mice can't naturally get MS, they're great candidates for helping researchers home in on the causes of this disease. That's because scientists can genetically engineer mice using human genes so that they have an MS predisposition, when they can see what factors trigger these genes to activate. A study recently published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences followed this method. The researchers from Rutgers first raised genetically engineered mice in a sterile, germ-free environment. None of them developed MS. However, when the predisposed mice were raised in a normal environment, sure enough, they developed the disease, along with bowel inflammation. This tells the researchers that gut bacteria likely play a role in triggering the development of MS. The younger the mice, the more likely this was to happen. The researchers are going to need to continue investigating this topic to determine more specifically what about the gut bacteria is triggering the MS. It's possible that either too many bad bacteria are spurring the development of the disease, or it could be that the imbalance between harmful and beneficial bacteria is the culprit. So, with all the research that's come out lately in favor of the good guys in our gut, it's still wise to support your gut bacteria with a probiotic like Advanced Probiotic Formula, particularly if you're young and/or at the risk for developing MS. If you do have MS, don't despair. Dr. Frank Schallenberger has written before about the Simonetti protocol for MS. Check the archives on the Second Opinion website for more detail. In brief, Dr. Simonetti has developed an approach to treating MS that has stopped the disease's progression in every one of his patients. And over 90% of these patients have gone into total remission. Dr. Simonetti uses ozone therapy combined with specialized diet and heavy metal detoxification process. It usually takes about 6 to 12 weeks to complete the protocol. You can find a practitioner of the Simonetti protocol by visiting the American Academy of Ozone Therapy's website practitioner referral page. There are at least 300 such doctors throughout the U.S., and they may be able to completely transform your health. Thank you for listening to today's audio newsletter brought to you by Second Opinion. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see future videos.